Okay, today we're going to give you a tour of the mini suite room on the Pacific Adventure. Just walk through the room and go show you the balcony to start with. Quite a good sized balcony. Unfortunately, it was night time when I viewed this, so you can't see the view, but we were able to see. And here we've got a walk-in wardrobe with a cupboard behind it, and then the door from there into the bathroom. The bathroom's a wee bit bigger in the mini suite room. You have a bath as well as your toilet, and the shower is over the bath. A pretty standard cruise ship bathroom. In this cupboard here, there's some shelves and a safe. We actually used that cupboard quite a bit for our clothes, and we used the safe as well. It works quite well. And quite good having a big walk-in wardrobe for all your clothes in your room. And we just put our luggage, our bags in the bottom, or there's a shelf above the wardrobe as well. You can see the room's been turned down for the night. The CPAP machine there is actually not a plug on that side of the bed. We used an extension cord to these plugs here. They're American plugs, so bring a travel adapter. The only Australian plug in the room was under the TVs on that side, but there is a couple of USB plugs there, although only one of them worked in our room. There's storage under the desk, and all three lamps have drawers under them, and there's some shelves under the TV as well for storage. The heating control was just on the wall there. There's actually two heating controls in the mini suite. The main bedroom part had one, and this area with the couch had a separate control, so you could have them at separate temperatures, although we just set them the same most of the time. The couch also folds out to a bed, and then just behind me there is the door out to the balcony, which you saw earlier.